Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a listing or sell your NFT here in OpenSea.io. Now let's get started. So first, the procedure is very simple. You just have to go here on OpenSea.io, direct here in this website. And then once you're here, you want to connect your wallet and click there on the top right of our screen. And here we have a variety of options. We have MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, Ledger, Phantom, and Bitkit. And once you have decided what you want, for this example, I'm going to go with MetaMask because this is the most popular and this is very easy to create. It took me 5 to 10 minutes maybe on creating my account for this one. So let's now click on this so we can proceed. There we are now logged in here. As you can see, now we may now browse the products here. If you want, you can just browse here and explore so that you can get ideas and what NFTs you want to sell next or start with. Like for example, here in gaming, we can click on this one and you can see the details. Here are the NFTs that this person is selling. Here by Yuga Labs, this is a collection of Other Deed Expanded. Here, let's view this one. This is almost one Ethereum, which is almost $2,000. So this is a very expensive one. Here, there are offers here, which is really crazy. So if you ever get something like this, that is a really huge achievement. So let's now proceed to how to sell your NFT here. You just have to hover here and then go to create here, click on create, and now MetaMask here will pop up and it will ask for a signature request here. And now we may click on sign so that we can proceed in creating our listing or new item. And now here we will be able to upload our NFTs here in the form of image, video, audio, or 3D modeling. And the file supported for that is JPEG, PNG, GIF, SVG, MP4, WebM, or many more. Now let's upload it. Let's say I want this one. This isn't actually an NFT, but it's just a GIF that I found in Giphy. So I'm just using this just for the sake of the example here in this video, just to show you guys the process. So let's name it here. Let's name it Perspective Area. I guess, yeah. Perspective Alien. And here, the external link. This is the link that you want to use if you want to put more information about your NFT, and if there are interested buyers that want your NFT, that they could just click your external link here that you will provide, and they will know more about that NFT, or it could just lead to your webpage, so that they can explore more of your NFTs that you are selling so that you can promote more. And now let's just type here my NFT.com just for the sake of example, and then here on the description, it depends on what NFT you're selling, because you are selling an NFT that is pixelated, then of course you should provide this in the description. You should describe your NFT, what it's all about, and what makes it worth to buy. So let's say it is here. It's a really smooth animated GIF. Let's say that is my description for just for the sake of example, and there. And here, for the collection, you can add this NFT that you are selling here to your collection of NFTs, just like what we did earlier. That was a collection. And now here, as you can see, there are no results because I haven't created a collection. And if you upload your first NFT, then it will automatically be added here on your collection. And now let's just ignore it because I don't have one. And now let's move on to properties. These are the textual traits that show up as rectangles. So let's click here too, so we can add properties, and let's say this is an alien that is male. That's right. Then, if you want to add more, you can add more. If there are more properties that you want to include that the buyers should know, then click here and add more, but we don't have that anymore. So let's just click on save. And now let's move up to the levels. Click here so that we can add, let's say we want colors. Here, the value of that is 5 out of 5. Let's just say that. And now let's click save. And here for the stats, these are the numerical traits that just show as numbers. So these are the stats that show up underneath your item, are clickable, and can be filtered in your collections sidebar. So you might really want to be specific with this because this can be filtered and it will affect if this will be seen by the buyer or not. Let's just say it's animation, I guess. Animation. And the value of that is 5 out of 5. Let's just say that. But if you want to be more honest, I think it's just about 3. Just for the sake of example, let's just go for 5. And now let's click save because we don't have any more to add. And in here, next is the unlockable content. This is another great feature for you so that we can sell your NFTs easily is by using this feature, because if they see that your NFT has an unlockable content, then they will be intrigued to buy it because they will be excited or thrilled to unlock that unlockable content. So that might be a feature that you want to enable here, but we don't have that. Like you can enter here the content, like the access key, code to redeem, link to a file, or etc. Okay, let's move on. Let's not enable this because we don't have one. And now for explicit and sensitive content, this itself is already self-explanatory. So if you think that your NFT that you're selling here is explicit and sensitive, then you should enable this. And now for the supply, the number of items that can be minted, no gas cost to you. For this one, I think we're just gonna stick to 1 because this should be fairly exclusive, And then, yeah, just like that. Now let's move on to blockchain. Here we have the choices, a lot of choices here, but some other choices here are not enabled. But don't worry, guys, you don't need them because you have the Polygon right here. Polygon will enable you to have no gas fees, and that is really good because you don't want any additional fees that comes to the transaction between you and your buyer, so that there will be no larger costs. And that way, it is also easier. But if you want Ethereum, then you could also do that, but it has gas fee. So let's set the Polygon there. And now freezing your metadata, this is an option when you create your item first. So once we're happy with all of this here, then let's go to click create. There, almost done. Before this item gets created, we need to get here, sign here to prove that we are not a robot. Let's see this one, cars. There, draw it. That's about it. Let's wait until it launches up. Here, as you can see now, it says you created perspective alien. You just created perspective alien. You may now share here my copy link, or you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, or your Telegram. So let's close this up. And as you can see, it's already here. You can also edit here, or you can already press here on sell. When it's press here on sell now, because we're ready to sell it. And here we can indicate the amount. Let's say it's 0.009. That is about $1. Or if you want to be more expensive, then remove one of the zeros, and it will be 17.0 0.31. So here is the duration of the sale. It depends on you on how you set that. Here are the summary listing price, your earnings, and the service fee, of course. That is how we keep this platform live. So your potential earnings would be 0.0088 Ethereum. Now, let's... Oh, I forgot. Here, you can also choose in between fixed price and timed auction, but mostly sellers here go for fixed price. So if you want timed action, then you can also do that. And if you want to learn more about it, you can click on this button right here. Now let's go on complete listing because we are now satisfied with it and we want to sell it now. And let's go approve. And this network. And let's go got it. Here. There. And let's sign. And there you are. It's now good to go. It's now listed here. So that's it about, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this helpful.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.